द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज तुम्हें जो सोचना है सोचो। थिंक वाट एवर यू वांट। थिंक वाट एवर यू वांट। मेरे साथ क्या होगा। What will happen to me? What will happen to me? मैं वैसा नहीं हूँ। I am not like that. I am not like that. मैं तुमसे नाराज हूँ। I am angry with you. I am angry with you. सोच समझ कर बोलो। Think before you speak. Think before you speak. इसमें क्या शक है। There is no doubt about it. There is no doubt about it. अपने ऊपर काबू रखो। Control yourself. Control yourself. तुम मुझे घूरते क्यों हो। Why do you stare at me? Why do you stare at me? दूसरों की नकल ना करो। Don't copy others. Don't copy others. फिर कभी ऐसा मत करना। Don't do so in future. Don't do so in future. अपना हिसाब कर लो। Clear your accounts. Clear your accounts. मेरा मोबाइल टूट गया। My mobile got broken. My mobile got broken. कुछ सोच रहे हो। Thinking something. Thinking something. समझने की कोशिश करो। Try to understand. Try to understand. उसे समय लेने दो। Let him take time. Let him take time. आपका परिवार कैसा है। How is your family? How is your family? मुझे तुमसे प्यार है। I am in love with you. I am in love with you. उसे करना पड़ेगा। He will have to do. He will have to do. अपने मन की बात कहो। Speak your mind. Speak your mind. नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं। No not at all. No not at all. उसे ज़रूर बोलना चाहिए। He must speak. He must speak. तुम्हें मेरी कोई परवाह नहीं है। You don't care of me. You don't care of me. आप अभी तक जग रहे हैं। You are still awake. You are still awake. दूसरों की हंसी मत उड़ाओ। Don't laugh at others. Don't laugh at others. क्या तुम मुझे जगा दोगे। Will you wake me up? Will you wake me up? वह तुम्हारे लिए पागल है। He is crazy for you. He is crazy for you. जैसा आपको ठीक लगे। As you feel like. As you feel like. देर मत करो। Don't be late. Don't be late. मुझे धक्का मत दो। Don't push me. Don't push me. क्या कारण है। What is the reason? What is the reason? जाओ उससे मिलो। Go and meet him. Go and meet him. तुम क्या चाहते हो। What do you want? What do you want? ऐसा तुक्के से हुआ। It happened by chance. It happened by chance. यह जाने का समय है. It is time to go. It is time to go. यह पढ़ने का समय है. It is time to read. It is time to read. एक से अधिक बार. More than once. More than once. इसे टेबल पर रख दो. Put it on the table. Put it on the table. तुम जा रहे हो या नहीं? Are you going or not? Are you going or not? क्या तुम्हें पढ़ना पड़ता है? Have you to read? Have you to read? एक बार देखो तो सही. Just look once. Just look once. एक बार बोलो तो सही. Just speak once. Just speak once. खाना बहुत तीखा है. The food is very spicy. The food is very spicy. ज़्यादा देर तक जागना मत. Don't stay up too late. Don't stay up too late. तुम्हें कैसी नींद आई? How was your sleep? How was your sleep? मेरी राय में. In my opinion. In my opinion. अगर आप मुझसे पूछो तो. If you ask me. If you ask me. जैसा मुझे लगता है. The way I see it. The way I see it. ये क्या बदतमीज़ी है. What the hell. What the hell. तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare you. How dare you. गुस्सा मत दिलाओ मुझे. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well. फ़िलहाल मेरे पास वक्त नहीं है. I do not have time as of now. I do not have time as of now. मैंने तुम्हारा क्या बिगाड़ा है? What's wrong I have done? What's wrong I have done? कभी हमारे पास आओ. Ever come to us. Ever come to us. आपका घर कहाँ पर है? Where is your house? Where is your house? मैं थोड़ा काम में व्यस्त था. I was a bit busy. I was a bit busy. आजकल क्या हो रहा है? What's up these days? What's up these days? मैं आस-पास ही था. I was around. I was around. अपने बाप को मत सिखाओ. Don't teach your father. Don't teach your father. मन में याद करो. Learn it in mind. Learn it in mind. पहले मुझे जाने दो. Let me go first. Let me go first. हद हो गई. This is too much. This is too much. मैं जानना चाहूँगा. I would like to know. I would like to know. मैं अभ्यास करना चाहूँगा. I would like to practice. I would like to practice. यह हानिकारक है. It is injurious. It is injurious. यह तुम्हारे लिए है। दिस इज़ फॉर यू। दिस इज़ फॉर यू। आज कितनी तारीख है? What is the date today? What is the date today? खुद से प्यार करो। Love yourself. Love yourself. मैं अपना समय काट रहा हूँ। I am passing my time. I am passing my time. हम उसे नहीं जानते हैं। We don't know him. We don't know him. मुश्किल क्या है? What's the problem? What's the problem? शुरू कब होता है? When does it start? When does it start? आपका शुभ नाम। Your good name. Your good name. यह किसका घर है? Whose house is this? Whose house is this? तुम अच्छे से सोए क्या? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? उम्मीद मत छोड़ो। Don't give up hope. Don't give up hope. मेरी बात पर भरोसा करो। Believe in my words. Believe in my words. तुम कब लौटोगे? When will you return? When will you return?